Hi guys, I'm starting to start up my how does it sound um, videos again. So I have a lot of Bluetooth speakers that I need to get to. So I'm trying out this one right here. It's called the Douni A7, and I can tell you right now, this is perhaps the best speaker, Bluetooth speaker I have that's under $100. No joke. The audio quality of this speaker is amazing. And also the build quality is premium. I actually can't believe I should pay $50 for this speaker, but I could easily pay $100 or for this speaker because I have speakers that's more expensive but doesn't have the build quality or the sound quality of this speaker. Now in the box you get the speaker itself, startup guide, user guide, and also you get aux cable and USB charging cable. Now as I said earlier, this is perhaps the best Bluetooth speaker I own at this present moment. The build quality is amazing. I can't believe I only paid $50 for this speaker. It has a metal build and it's very heavy. And you probably can't see it right here, but there's two speakers in the front, and they also have like a little subwoofer is in the back, which I will show in the next photo. Now this is the back of it. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a little subwoofer in the back, and it really pumps a lot of bass. I was surprised when I first played it how much bass came out of it. So in this video I actually played a royalty-free music. However, I had to stop the video because I was so amazed how much the sound quality is that I had to test it on regular music, and I played some hip hop and some club music, and wow, I was blown away. Now on top of the speaker you have M, which is mode, that allows you to switch from Bluetooth to aux. Then you have a call button that you can use for answering telephone calls. Then you have forward, skip, play and pause, volume up and down, and there's also a NFC tag. If you have an Android phone, you can easily just press the back of your phone to the device and it'll connect. However, if you don't have NFC, it's easy to connect. You just simply press and hold the play pause button for 3 seconds and it will go into pairing mode. Then you just look on your device to find A7. Now on the side of the speaker you have a power button, and above that is your indicator light. You have a aux jack, headphone jack, and of course your charging slot to charge the device. Now this is the bottom of the speaker, and it has rubber feet that it really keeps in place the speaker. However, because it is so heavy, I don't care if you have the speaker all the way up, it won't move. Now another great feature of the speaker is that the buttons are backlit, so you can see these buttons during the daytime, and especially during the night, so because they get really bright, so they're definitely a great feature. Now let's get to the audio test.
Connected. Disconnected.